Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3 miles.
Oh, 245?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, very nice. Gotta love a no tip to start the day. Total for that one was $3. Finally got the next order after like 20 minutes of waiting. This is Black Rock Coffee going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
For Gabriel. Total for that order was $8. Okay, that was a lot better. More of those, please. Okay, we've got 15 minutes to make $9. Otherwise, we're going to be down already in the first hour. Technically, it's still possible, but highly unlikely. And just like that, we are still sitting here. It's going to be a bad day, isn't it? I'm actually going to have to start recording throughout the week. Otherwise, these videos are just going to be very, very short. I mean, that's not really the worst thing ever. It'll give me less things to do on the weekend, so I don't know. We'll see. Oh, that's funny. That is really funny. So the first order they give me in like, who knows even how long at this point. It's an order for Dom Pedro going across the river 13 miles. And then I would have to drive all the way back. That's really what we're working with today? Okay, finally. We got a Starbucks going 4 miles.
There you are. Thank you so much.
That was a pretty long wait. They are crazy busy already. And it's all for one single drink. This has got to be a no tip. Who would have guessed? No tip, $5. And then they immediately give me a Chick-fil-A going across the river 13 miles. What are you doing? And yet another 13-mile order. This one's for Angels. What is happening today? Currently $15 behind where we should be, and counting. Finally got the next order. This is a Walgreens pickup. This is going 6.5 miles.
Morning. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are basically an hour behind pace at this point, by the way. But we just got the next order. This one's a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 3 miles, 5 items. Recently added juice. Brother, oh my god. Like, you could have added that 5 minutes ago when I was over there.
I don't know.
Got another shop and deliver for Safeway lined up right after this. This one is $12 going 6 miles, only 1 item.
Yep.
All right, I need a pin for
5132?
5132.
Yes, sir.
5132. All right.
Hey, thank you, man.
Yep, no problem. There's that.
Hey.
Yep.
Have
Got
a good
it.
day.
Me too. Like, bro could have waited a minute right there. Walked right up to my car as I was turning around. Like, I was diagonally in the parking lot right there, just waiting for him.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly. Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet. Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet.
Oh, I thought it was that. Is there a smaller size of those, do you know?
And we're out of stock.
Oh, that's... okay. Really love how they didn't answer my call or even look at the messages I sent. And I was even about to say, luckily we got these 2 shopping orders because that'll catch us up a little bit. I was literally about to pull off and they tried giving me that exact same order. Just got the next orders. This is a stack going to 2 different people. I'm pretty sure it was also 2 different restaurants, but it's not showing me what they are. I know the first one is Wendy's. Oh, and it was like $20 going 7 miles. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this order. Oh my goodness. There are 4 cars in front of me.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Go ahead when you're ready.
Hi.
Hello.
Uber.
Yes.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, that wasn't that bad of a wait. And looks like the second order is River Maiden. I have not been there in so long.
There it is.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hello.
Hi, thank you.
Yep. Got it?
Yes.
Have a good day. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people, 2 different restaurants. We've got Angels and Gravity Coffee, $11 going about 5 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Use those 2.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, it is very clear we're not making any money today. And I just got some bad news and I need to get home ASAP. So we're calling it here. Current time is 9:50. Current total is 56 and we're waiting on a few Uber tips. I'll put the total when they come in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.